Peace TV, the solution for humanity.
Is there any more questions? Over here in the front.
I wanted to know about the Kaaba. I had a question about the Kaaba. I mean, what is its significance scientifically and logically? And why do Muslims circle around the Kaaba?
Brother asked a very good question. That what is the significance of Kaaba scientifically, logically? And why do Muslims circumambulate around the Kaaba? Now, many non-Muslims think that we Muslims worship the Kaaba. It is? That's wrong. Correct. I'll give that answer and even come to a scientific answer. I will club both together to answer you and the other non-Muslim misconception. The thing is that Kaaba is the Qibla. The Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2, verse number 144, that wherever you are, pray in the direction of the Kaaba. In Arabic, direction means Qibla. So Kaaba is only for direction. For example, today if you have to pray here, some will say let's face south, some will say north, some will say east, some will say west. Where do you face? So for unity, we face towards one direction, Kaaba. So Kaaba is our Qibla. No Muslim ever worships the Kaaba. And when the world map of geography was drawn the first time, it was the Muslims who do the world map first. It was Al-Idrusi in the year 1154 who do the world map. And when the Muslims do the world map, they had South Pole on top, North Pole down, and the Kaaba in the center. Later on, the Western cartographers came and they turned the map upside down, North Pole top, South Pole down, yet the Kaaba is in the center. So whichever part of the world you are, if you are staying in the north, you face towards the south. If you are in the east, you face towards the west. If you are in the west, you face towards the east. If you are in the south, you face towards the north. All Muslims throughout the world, they face in one direction, Kaaba. Kaaba is the Qibla. Now when we go for Umrah, or when we go for Hajj, when we do tawaf around the Kaaba, we circumambulate. Why do we circumambulate? Basically because of our God creator, because Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said we did it. You ask me logically what's the reason? Though it's not mentioned in the Quran or Hadith. If I as a logical person wants to think, why do we circumambulate? The reason I can think is, every circle has got one center. We circumambulate around the Kaaba to testify there is one God. Because circle has got only one center, doesn't have two centers. We circumambulate to testify there is one God. And the statement of Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, the second Khalifa of Islam, which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Hajj, chapter number 56, hadith number 675. The second Khalifa of Islam, Hazrat Umar said, this black stone, pointing at the Hajar Aswad, the black stone in the Kaaba, this black stone can neither benefit me, can neither harm me. I am kissing it only because my Prophet kissed it. This statement proves that no Muslim ever worships the Kaaba. Furthermore, at the time of the Prophet Muhammad, there were Sahabas who stood on the Kaaba and gave the azan. No idol worshipper will ever stand on the idol he or she worships. So this proves that the Muslims don't worship the Kaaba. Kaaba is only the Qibla, it's only a direction. Hope that answers the question.
Do we have any more questions in the middle lane?
Are there non-Muslims like to ask a question? Any of the microphones? Any non-Muslim like to ask a question, then come on the microphone, they're most welcome. Anyone in that queue? Any non-Muslims? Any non-Muslim like to ask a second time also, they're most welcome. Till the time the non-Muslims come on the microphone, we can take questions from the Muslims. Yes, brother.
Assalamu alaikum, brother Zakir. I'm working for Burj Dubai for hotel. But actually, I'm always thinking for hotel working is halal or haram. That is biggest hotel for in Dubai. But always I'm thinking for the, and I'm long time is working for the hotel industry. And please you can, thank you.
Brother, the question, I work for a hotel, working in hotel is haram or halal. If the activities in the hotel is halal, it's allowed. If the activities are haram, it's not allowed. See, if you tell me the name of the... See,
so I'm clear for the hotel, but you know the hotel industry is working for the, there is hard drinks and soft drinks,
hard drink and soft
and
drink.
not only
So
this,
like
not
that,
only
nah.
this, not only stay. I'm
Working in a 5-star hotel.
No,
allowed
yes,
or not?
5-star. And
Allowed or not? Okay, fine. I know most of the 5-star hotels have got alcohol. So working...
And I'm clearly, please sir, actually all the 5-star hotel I'm never included, but my hotel is It's hard drinks.
Hard drinks.
Sometimes, yeah, that-
Five-star hotel.
hard drinks supplying is some sector, but
What
I'm
is
not.
your position? What's your
Sorry, sir.
position?
I'm not working for the hard drink sector. I'm working the front office.
Front
But-
office. Oh, front
but-
office. Yes, that's better.
That's why I'm always thinking. Is
Fine. Now the
halal
brother
or
asks,
haram. That's,
if you're working in a hotel industry which serves alcohol, if you're serving alcohol yourself, it is haram to work there. But if you're working in any other sector which is not involved in haram activity, front desk can have haram also. Because I'm told, front desk, if you see to the hotel, we say, that family hotel hai, family hotel. So if it's a non-family hotel, working in front desk also may become haram. So if it's a family hotel where everything is clean and all, you're working in the front desk, if there's alcohol served in a 5-star hotel, the alcohol income is a small percentage. The alcohol income in the hotel is a small percentage, maybe less than 5%. If you're working in the front desk and
Yes.
you're not involved in serving alcohol, not involved in any haram activities,
Yes,
then
I'm not
working is no
serve-
problem.
I'm not serving
Then
alcohol, but
working
this-
there is no problem. You think your income is coming from a halal portion. Because the alcohol may be less than 5%. Think your portion is from the halal. You told me all 5-star hotels serve alcohol. I disagree with you. Last time when I came to Dubai, 4 months back, I was the guest of Jumal Majid. And he kept me in his hotel Taj. And I'm told that the first 5-star hotel in Dubai which does not serve alcohol. So don't tell me all the 5-star hotels have alcohol. I've stayed in Taj. I was the guest of Jumal Majid last time when I came 4 months back. And I'm told initially the Taj group, Taj belongs to Indians, to Tata, Ratan Tata. They objected. No alcohol means no Taj. They said no alcohol means we don't want Taj. You want to come as our partner, we don't want alcohol. You want to come, otherwise don't come. The Taj were forced to agree with the request of Jumal Majid. MashaAllah. And now I'm told it is one of the most expensive, most wanted hotel without alcohol. Alhamdulillah. So don't tell me all the hotels. I do agree. Almost all the hotels outside Saudi Arabia or those countries where alcohol is banned, they do have alcohol. But if you are the owner, you can very well put your foot down. And believe me, he's doing better business than most of the other 5-star hotels. So you do it for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah gives you business. So coming back to your question, if you are not involved in any haram activity, if you are working in the other section of the hotel industry, and the hotel industry, the haram portion is a small percentage, you think your income is from the halal portion. Hope that answers the question.
thank you, sir.
May I